Hello class, welcome you all. Today we are going to start chapter number 3 and the name of the chapter is More on Microsoft Word 2010. More on Microsoft Word 2010. So students, let us start the chapter. Microsoft Word. Everybody hear about Microsoft Word? Why we use Microsoft Word? For making documents and for making documents attractive. So it is a word processor. Microsoft Word is a word processor that helps you to create documents. Why Microsoft Word is used? It helps you to create document with a professional look. If you want to give professional outlook to your document, then you use Microsoft Word. It not only provides the facility to type and edit the text, but also offers features to enhance the overall appearance of the text. In a MS Word, it not only provides the facility that you only type or edit the text, but do you know Microsoft Word provide many features that you can change the overall appearance of the text also. So what we learned in this paragraph, that Microsoft Word is a word processor. Why it is used? For creating documents and for making attractive documents and giving it a professional outlook. So it don't only provide the facility to edit text or write text, but you can also change the appearance of the text. Students, in the previous class, you have been learned various basic editing and formatting tools. In the previous class, we have learnt about various editing and formatting tools like how to insert, how to move, how to copy, how to change the font, or how to change the text alignment. In this chapter, students, we will enhance your skills by learning some advanced features of editing and formatting. In this chapter, we will learn about advanced features of editing and formatting. So first is Format Painter. Format Painter. What is Format Painter? The Format Painter tool is used when you want to copy and apply the formatting of one section of text or graphic such as color, font style, font size, border style to another section of text or graphics. Means अगर आप किसी एक पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट पर कुछ चेंजेस कर रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल हमने इसका कुछ कलर चेंज कर दिया, कुछ फॉन्ट स्टाइल चेंज कर दिया, कुछ बॉर्डर सेट कर दिए, बॉर्डर स्टाइल चेंज कर दिया, एंड वही सेम फॉर्मेटिंग हम दूसरे टेक्स्ट पर अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं, तो हम फॉर्मेट पेंटर का यूज़ करते हैं. सो अगेन आई विल एक्सप्लेन. द फॉर्मेट पेंटर टूल इज़ यूज्ड when you want to copy and apply the formatting of one section of text or graphic such as color, font style, size, border style to another section of text or graphic. Then you use Format Painter. So what are the steps? Before reading these steps, I will take one practical example of Format Painter. I just open MS Word. Okay, I just write here one paragraph for another practical session. So I just use Format Painter. Okay, so I'm just writing here, hello, how are you? Okay, this is my text. I'm just selecting my text and doing some changes on it. Means I'm just applying some formatting on this. For example, I'm just increasing the size of it like 24. Okay, I have just write one text and I just change some formatting. Means I just change its size from 11 to 24, and I'm just changing the font style also, like in okay, in this you can change any of this style, and then just I am making it bold and changing its font color, okay, in red. Okay, now I'm changing its background style. No, it's only font style, and I'm just changing its background, okay, like this. Okay, so I have done some changes, I have applied some formatting on this particular text, and now I am again writing some text here. Hello students. I just, so what is format painter? If I want to apply the same formatting which I have applied on this text to now in this text, then I just use format painter. What I have to do, just select this text, and then in the home tab there is one option in the clipboard group, format painter. Okay, you just have to firstly select this text, and in the clipboard group in the home tab click on the format painter. Okay, now see here, brush symbol is here. Okay, now I just select this, and see here the same formatting is applied now to this. I will take one more example. I'm just writing here hello class. Now I want the same formatting of this to this, so I'm just click this, select this, and then just go in the home tab in the clipboard group, in the select the home for format painter option. I just click on it and simply click on this. See, the same formatting which we have applied earlier to other text is now applied to this text. Means what we have to do, I have to format some text by increasing its size, color, font style, background color, font color, and then just write one more sentence, and just select that, and then just click on the format painter, and then just apply it to the next. Okay, so this is the function of format painter.